Why do insecure people insult others just to feel strong? Why do fools provoke, hoping to drag you into chaos? And why does staying silent humiliate them more than shouting ever could? Welcome to StoicDraft, where power isn't proven by reaction, but by restraint. Today, you'll learn how to expose a disrespectful person's insecurity without raising your voice, and why silence is your sharpest sword. 1. See the insult for what it is. A confession a disrespectful man isn't revealing his dominance. He's exposing his weakness. His insult is not a dagger. It's a cry for control. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." See the insult not as truth, but as a mirror. Hey, is not attacking you. He is broadcasting himself. Point 2. Respond with silence or mild amusement. He wants to provoke you. That's how he validates himself. But when you respond with calm, or better yet, a slight smirk, you deny him the reward. Seneca said, "A great mind despises injury. Silence isn't retreat, it's a refusal to descend." And nothing makes a fool look smaller than being ignored by someone in total control. 3. Master. Your emotional state control is intimidating. The man who cannot be triggered is the man no one can control. Epictetus taught, any person capable of angering you becomes your master. Disrespect fails the moment it fails to disturb you. You don't have to fight. You have to remain solid, steady. Sovereign. 4. Flip the insult into a question he expects rage. Instead, give him reflection. If he mocks your ambition, ask, "Why does my drive bother you?" If he attacks your beliefs, why is that important to you? Socrates mastered this art, not with rage, but with reason. By making people explain their hate, he made them see their emptiness. Force the fool to defend his insult, and he'll expose his own insecurity faster than you ever could. The next time someone disrespects you, don't react, reveal, okay? Not through force, not through retaliation, but through calm. 'Cause the greatest insult to a fool, showing him that his words couldn't move you. If this spoke to your inner strength, like it. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. And subscribe to StoicDraft, where we teach power through presence and dominance through discipline. Stay sharp, stay grounded, stay stoic.